Come test drive the 2021 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, braking assist, rear stabilizer bar, front stabilizer bar. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.